Hi, we are Code Pilots. We have chosen Chatbot for clients. For building a conversational bot on Rocket Chat, our main challenge was to understand the user intent. Presenting you Alphabot, powered by the Dialogflow. It provides artificial intelligence and machine learning based conversational experience to the user. This is our architecture diagram. We have used microservice based architecture. We are using Netflix Eureka for our microservice registration and their interaction. These services are running on AWS Cloud. Their logs can also be seen on the monitoring console. It is an A to Z platform for our user needs. Our first use case is level 1 support to the user. User has issues and he reaches out to the bot for the solution. User has been provided with various different ways to solve the user queries. And finally, he is happy with the solution. Our second use case is the two-factor authentication of the user. Suppose our user wants to reset his password, which is a sensitive information. We wanted to verify him. So we send him an OTP on his registered mobile number. And we wait for the user to punch in his OTP and we verify him. An email will be sent to him with the password reset link on his registered email ID. Our use case number 3 is client onboarding. User wants to do banking with us, so we want to onboard him. So he wishes for, let's say, savings account. We would send him an OTP on his registered number, which we will verify through bot. Once this is successful, he will receive an email on his email ID with a link for onboarding. Or alternatively, he can call on this number flashing on the screen. This is IVR powered by Twilio.
Use your phone's keypad to tap in the number supplied by Alphabot.
Bot has given him the OTP, which he has to punch in here to verify.
Phone number. You are being assisted by Alphabot to guide you through onboarding process.
Our use case number 4 is ticket creation. In order for us to create a ticket, we are only asking 2 questions to the users. One is the title, and second is a short description about the ticket. And the INC will be created. He will also receive the information in his email about the ticket. Additionally, as soon as this progress moves, the state of the ticket moves, he will be automatically informed. Our next use case is handoff to humans. If a bot is not able to respond the user queries, then he invites a human user to solve the user queries. Here, tech support is a human user who is resolving the user queries. Our use case number 6 is the news integration that we have done with more than 120 news sources. We have integrated with CNBC, Washington Post, Bloomberg, New York Times, etc. Our next use case is Twitter integration. User can see tweets from the interest of his. So if he wants to know UV specific information or tweets, he can get it. Our use case number 8 is the bot feedback from the user. To improve the machine response to the user, we are taking feedback from the user. Our next use case is the stock updates. So we have integrated with Intrinio to get daily stock updates for the user. We have integration with the Google Calendar as well. If the user wants to set up a meeting with RM, he can get it done. We have integration with the various chat platforms like Slack, Telegram, Rocket Chat. And here are some moments of glory and fun. Meet our code pilots.